So today we have got this 12 mini for the screen replacement. So let's start it. First we will unscrew the bottom screws. We will put some alcohol on the sides here. Now with the help of blade we will try to open the screen. Once you will see some gap here, we can put the plastic pry tool here and then just swipe it like this. Do not go too deep, just go till this margin here, 0.5 centimeter. Now we will gently open the screen. So you can see the screen's been open. Now we'll give some support to the screen with this. And now we will use this trio screwdriver to open the covers. Take off this cover. Now this is the battery connector. Now this is the battery connector. We will open the battery connector first. Disconnect it. You can see I've disconnected the battery connector. Now we'll disconnect this ear speaker connector here, and then we will disconnect this screen connector here as well. As you can see, all the connectors has been disconnected. Now we'll take off the screen. We'll put it aside. Now we'll take off the ear speaker. We use T4 screwdriver here on this screw. And here. And then this trio screwdriver on these two screws. Now we will try to release this ear speaker from the screen. First you have to take this off. Now there is a small edge here. You can use this tweezer to take this edge off. You have to be very gentle with it. See, I took it off. Now we will. You can use this plastic splitter here to remove it from the screen. And now we will remove this sensor here. You have to heat it up a bit. I'm using this hot gun here. On that particular part I'm heating. Now with the help of this tweezer I will take it off. See, it's easily removed. So this whole part, which is a ear speaker, a sensor and a mic, has been removed. we have a brand new screen here. Now we will peel off the stickers first. And now we'll try to adjust this part on the screen. First I will adjust the sensor. There is a space for that every part, so you need to just figure out how to adjust it like this. First put the sensor, these two sensors there, and then put the speaker back, so you can see everything is on its own space. Now we will put the screws back. This should go on like this when we are taking it off. Screws are on its right place. Now we will connect it to the phone. First start with the ear speaker. Yeah, the ear speaker connector has been fixed. Now we'll do the screen connector. There you can hear the click sound. So now those both connectors has been clicked. Now we will put the battery. So battery has been installed. Now we'll check the screen after turning on the phone. Screen lights up. We will check the touch, ear speaker, sensor, everything. So the phone is on. Let's see if the touch is working. Yeah, it's working beautifully. We will check the charging. Yeah, it's charging as well. We'll check the loudspeaker. So I have checked the ear speaker and the loudspeaker is working beautifully. Now we will assemble the screen covers. So this is the battery cover and it has the edges here. So first you have to put these edges into the hole like this. And then put the screw back. Now we will put this cover back in here. First adjust it, and now put back the screws one by one. See, the covers are installed nicely here and here. Now we will adjust the screen. First I put the upper part, and then the side part clips in, and then the bottom. Now you will put the bottom screws back, and it's been done. Thank you for watching this video.